What's up, world? This is your boy, Seuss Villano, better known as Jamar Johnson, when we're talking business. And in this video, I'm about to show you the biggest, the best AI ads manager platform on the planet. Now, before I get into it, I want to make a disclaimer. Not guaranteeing that you guys will, wake up tomorrow and be $1 million in profit. Not guaranteeing that you will wake up tomorrow and you will have 1,000 leads. But what I will guarantee you is you will get your time back. What I will guarantee is you will save money. What I will guarantee is you definitely will get in front of the people you are looking to get in front of for a fraction of the cost and definitely a fraction of the time. So you'll want to pay attention. Without further ado, I want to go into the platform that we use, and this can be found at adsads.liv8.co. That's our site, elevate.co. I am the CEO, co-founder of Elevate Digital, and what we have here is an AI ads manager platform done for you to run your ads for you on social media. Now, if you're like me, at one point when you were running your business, or right now, you have a business or you have a brand, you're an entrepreneur, you're an influencer, you're marketing somebody else's products, you're using social media to do this, right? You are advertising on these platforms. And I'm talking platforms like Facebook. I'm talking TikTok. I'm talking LinkedIn, Instagram, Snapchat, right? YouTube. These are places that you are going on because, let's be honest, this is where everybody is. And also it's free to generate that traffic. But the only holdup to the free traffic that you're generating is you are leaving a lot of eyes off the table. I want to say on the table. You're leaving money, off the table, but you're leaving eyes off the table, because when you just post a normal, post on social media, let's say Facebook or Instagram, you're only reaching your audience. And I believe Facebook only allows on your profile page to reach up to 5,000 people. So if you have a business or a brand, there's no limits. But if you're just posting organic posts, right, you're only reaching the people that are already engaged with your page or your brand. So not that that's a bad idea, because, you want those people to see what you have, but you're missing out on the biggest audience. And that's the paid advertising game. Now, I will say this, right? I definitely love hybrid. I definitely believe in generating organic, free traffic, right? People that want what you have. But this is the best and quickest way to get in front of the people, literally, right? By running ads. So what this platform does is it saves you time. So most of us do three things. We typically try to do this all by ourselves, where we create the ad campaign, right? We create the article or the content. Then we have to manage the ads, and then we have to press the button. We typically try to do that ourselves. But if it's too much for us or we don't think we figure it out, then we have to hire a social media manager. So you can get a social media manager who's, first, you're paying every single month. So you're paying somebody to do all of this for you. And give or take, if you like the results, you keep them on. But if you don't, then you have to fire them and hire another social manager and keep going through all of these people until you find the person that you like. Or you're the third person who just hires an agency, right? You find somebody like us, or you find somebody who you believe in, you hire them, you say, hey, look, I want hands off. I want you guys to totally hand it for us. And they may do it, or they may outsource it to somebody like us anyway. And then in that case, you're spending tens of thousands of dollars. So I'm going to show you how to eliminate that ad spend, that cost, right, of a social media manager. I'm going to show you how to eliminate that cost of an agency. I'm going to show you how to allow AI to do this for you. And why did I say this gets you your time back? Because now you're actually going to see it. You're going to see how I do this. You're going to see how much time it takes me and how much time it can essentially take you, which is close to none, right? So let me go ahead and take my face off, because I don't even want you to get distracted at my face. I want you to literally focus on this platform and what you're about to see, because it is game changing. Trust me. Let's get into it. All right. So first thing, what you'll see is when you come here, you'll come to a home screen. You'll see, now you won't see this. This is because we're agency owners. We can see everybody's. And if we ever need to help anybody, we can actually log in to help you set up your ads, or do whatever we need to do. So you won't see this on yours. This is just for us because we're the admins. But starting up right here, the easiest way to get acclimated with this website is you'll see your name here. This is our company, Elevate Financial. So I'm doing a demo, right? This isn't a real account. I just loaded it up for demonstration purposes. You can actually, right here, right? I want to scroll down and show you resources. So everything you need to do, you can find out how to do right here. If you need the overview video, which I'm about to give you an overview, but you can watch this video right here. It goes over how to connect your ad accounts, which I'm about to show you. It goes over how to create your campaign, which I'm about to show you. And it goes over Google search ad targeting, which I'm about to show you. Facebook, Instagram, and even prompt tutorial for teaching the AI what to say. translating your ads in over 40 languages, and even Facebook Messenger ads. We've now stepped it up to, we're not just, marketing on these platforms. We're actually going into the inboxes and reaching people at the same time. So these videos, if you ever get caught up and you need to figure out what to do, can be found right here in the resources tab. Also at the bottom right hand, you'll see where you can reach us at any time. You can contact us with an email, or if you have a question you want to get answered, our chatbot may know it, or if it's between our open hours, we may be available right here. So you can go ahead and start the conversation and somebody can help you. So that's here right there. That's the support that you need. Here's the videos, and let's just jump into it. So over here, you're going to see 4 buttons. I'll start off at the bottom, which is the links. This is how you connect to your ads manager. Now, I've already connected pretty much all of them just for the sake of time, but it only took me a few minutes to do so. This thing goes right on and it finds your Google account, finds your YouTube account, finds your TikTok, your Snapchat, your LinkedIn. And because I wanted to show you how it connects, I left this one open. So let me go ahead and click on Facebook and Instagram so you see how simple it is to connect. What it's going to do is it's going to go to Facebook. It's going to find your account. You're going to click connect. It's going to go to your Facebook page. Now, I will say this is for desktop. That's not me. Let me go ahead and that's my ad account. Give you guys a little sneak peek of seeing the account that I'm running, but let me go ahead and put my personal account in for you so you can see that this thing works and it's super simple. So I'm going to log into Facebook. Now it may verify my identity if it hasn't recognized me for the first time. So this is just a security measure that you will need to go through, and you can really appreciate it because this honestly protects you, right? This prevents anybody from just logging in and trying to access your account. Now, you gotta forgive me because I change my my password frequently. Let me go back in and try to log in again and get it right. Sorry about that. Yeah, I changed it 2 weeks ago. So there it is, and it should be good to go. All right, so once you log into your Facebook, it's going to recognize that you have the right Facebook account. And then you can go back here pretty much. And let me just double back. So now that I have the right account, it's going to notice that I'm logged into the right account. And then it should connect me. Sorry about that, guys. I probably should have had that set up as well. But you see it was super simple to go ahead and access the right account and continue. So I press this button to continue. AI ads is going to connect, right? And you select your ad account. Now it's looking for my ad accounts. I choose an ad account that I already have. Now, don't pay any mind to this because as you guys can see, the real account that I run ads on is not this one. I just wanted to show you that it would connect to your ad account essentially, and then boom, you're done. So once you log in, you can actually, let me go ahead and back to our page. Once you log in, you get access to all of your platforms all at once. So let me go ahead and click on here to refresh it while I'm still loading it up. So you can see, look, boom, there's my name, but there's no ad account selected to this one. So you want to make sure that it has an ad account. So what I'm going to do for this demonstration is I'm actually going to show you how AI works. So first thing you want to do is connect your ad platforms. Whatever you want to run your ads, you got to connect that. And you can honestly, select create an ad from here, but we're not going to use that. Next place I'm going to tap on is this little art palette right here. You'll see this is where you can make ad mockups or templates. So if you're somebody that's building an agency, you need to build these ads out for multiple people, or if you just want to get a head start on the game and start to build templates out for your brand, here's where you do it. You can come choose whichever platform. I'm going to choose Facebook, and this is where you'll pretty much make like a mock-up of the ad. We're not going to do that right now because we don't need to make templates, but after you see how AI works, you'll definitely come down to here and create your template. So I'm going to click on start new ad, and you choose any platform. This works on Google, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Google Display, Snapchat, message ads, and the new one, Google Call Ads. So let me just touch up on this for a little bit. You can reach out to your people with an advertisement and have them call you. Literally, when most people are searching on Google, most people are searching on YouTube, or they're on TikTok. So the 3 biggest platforms that people are searching, you can make sure your ads are there, and it can be simple as click to call you. Right? Click to message you. Or if you're on the platforms where everybody's engaging socially, you see this WhatsApp, you see this Facebook Messenger, you see this Instagram, right? You can put your ads in these messengers where people are engaging at. So, I mean, just this part alone is worth the platform. The fact that you can advertise on all of these platforms from one place and it does everything for you, you don't have to keep signing into all of these platforms, is the reason why we're so excited about this. So let me just go ahead and jump in and show you one. I'm trying to figure out which platform I want to demonstrate with. I like LinkedIn, so let me just go ahead and choose. Let's choose LinkedIn. Yeah, let's choose LinkedIn. So start a new ad. Very simple. You just click on the ad, and first thing, it'll start selecting your target ads and ad copies. Now, I won't go through this part because this is really just showing you how to navigate. So when you first get the platform, it walks you through everything, right? There's this little tutorial. I'm gonna click on the X there and we'll go ahead and jump right in. So when you go to start your ad, you'll see this advertise in seconds, right? This platform, it really, they mean what they say. So let's say I'm going to use, what do I want to use for this example? I'm going to use our life insurance company. So we have a life insurance platform that's called My Agent Verification, which is a database for licensed agents. So the cool thing about this platform is whatever platform you want to add on website you want to advertise, you simply just put your domain there, your landing page, your funnel, wherever the information is you want AI to pull from and create your ads. This is how you do it. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, right? Click that, and I want to make sure it's in English, and then I'll scroll down. Now, if you aren't in English, you can go ahead and choose, and we have so many different languages. I think it's over 40 different languages you can translate your ads into. So if you don't want to run them in English, you don't even have to run them in English, but I'm going to use English. And then it asks you, what's your business, product, event, or idea? So our business is My Agent Verification. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm going to say, I'm going to use I'm going to put the #1 source for verified agents, because we verify agents and we help clients, access these verified agents. And it's actually called My Agent Verification. So you would just essentially put what your product is, what the event, if it's you're going to a costume party, or if you're selling whatever the product is you're selling, and then the actual name of it right here. And then a few words, you can describe what it is. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you two things. I want to hit generate description, because AI can generate this for you, or you can create it yourself. So I let AI do it. My Agent Verification is the leading source for verified agents. We specialize in providing a platform where you can find trustworthy and verified agents for your needs. Our commitment is to ensure reliability and credibility in every agent listed on our platform. Wow, I couldn't have written that better myself. AI generated that for me. Now I could change this. I could go in and try to reword this thing, but I like it. So I'm going to click generate content. Now let's scroll up and let's see what AI is doing. AI is reading your website. AI is understanding your business. AI is going to generate the content. AI is then going to get the ad copy for your creative. Then AI is going to write the ad copy for your creative. And then it's going to find your audience. Now, this happens within minutes, could be seconds, within minutes. So now, I don't know how long it takes for you to get to your ad manager, your social media manager, your outsourcing company, for them to get the ad up and get back to you and let you know what it's looking like, and for you to get back to them and let them know that you like it. But this happens in minutes. Up here, you'll see that I'm running it on LinkedIn. If I was running this on another platform, you'd see that platform there. So boom, done. My ad is up. Now, the first thing you want to do after you have your website, right, after AI knows where your marketing is, you want to find your target. Now, this can be done by AI, right? Or you can type, let's say I'm going to do life insurance, because this is on LinkedIn. And I really like LinkedIn because you can find the people you're looking for, right? I'm looking for business owners. So it's adding them right there. Now, here's recommendations that AI makes for you. Licensed insurance agent. Look, it already did it for me. Insurance agent, insurance specialist, insurance advisor, insurance financial advisor, right? So this also gives you ideas on who you can target. But another thing I want to show you is, let's see if let's go ahead and go with that, right? So you at least want 4 to 5 of these right here. Let me try to see if it'll let me go with just that. Target companies. Now, if you want to use a company and target a company, you can do that, but we're just going to click next. Now, here's another thing, geo-targeting. You can choose a location. So let's say I want to target agents in the United States only. Please add at least one location. Let me go ahead, and there it is. Boom. So I click United States. Now, if you wanted to go by city, you wanted to go by states individually, you can definitely do so. Or if you wanted to go worldwide and global, you can geo-target wherever you want. But because I want the agents in America, I'm looking for United States. I'm going to click next. And I thought I clicked it. I unclicked it. There it is. Click next. And then I'm on to the next step. So you see my target is ready, right, for my website. So then we go to creative ads. Now here's where it gets creative. You can import your ads. So if you already have content ready, you can do that. You can import it right here. If you already have videos ready, you can import it right here. Or if you don't, you can even pull. So here's the upload. You can go to Shutterstock and you can find content based off of your brand. So I'm going to put license, or I'm going to put life insurance agents search. It's going to find me pictures that match the topic that I'm looking for. Now, I don't like this. I don't like the words. So let me go to insurance agent. Let's just do that. See if that pops up. Boom. So I like this one. I'll use this one for example. Now you can keep going down here. There's tons of pictures. I'll use this one. Now this will not show up when the ad is running. This is only showing you right now. They'll let you know that Shutterstock does own the rights to this. But again, we can still, run the content from there. So let me just click on, boom, I'll click on this one. Select one image. How many images do I have selected already? Unselect that. So you can only do one at a time. So let me delete that. And then I'm on this one now. Go ahead and select and scroll down to next. All right, boom. So now I have my ad. Now, again, you can scroll for days and go through this. It puts it in square, rectangle, vertical. All right, I'm going to save. Now, honestly, I don't need a rectangle. I don't need a square. Vertical. I know I'm on social media, so I want it to look just like that. Now, here's the cool thing. As you're editing it, you get to see exactly what it looks like right here. So we have the image, right? Then AI goes a step further and creates the text. Looking for trustworthy and verified agents? Look no further. My Agent Verification is the leading platform where you can find reliable and credible agents for all your needs. We ensure that agents listed on our platform are verified and trustworthy so you can have a peace of mind. Find your perfect agent today. Now, guys, I don't know about you, but this right here is amazing. I like this part because I'm not the best content creator, not that I'm the worst, but this right here, done for you, AI. Then it even creates the headline, find verified agents for your needs. Then a description, trustworthy and verified agents, reliable and credible, your source, right? So you're seeing all of this being made up. There's the ad, there's the content, there's the picture, and here is the headlines right there at the bottom. And then you can choose your call to action, whatever you want the call to action to be. Do you want them to apply, download, view quote, learn more, sign up, subscribe, register, join, attend, request a demo, however you want them to go. So what I would do is I would say, sign up, right? Or subscribe or learn more. Click learn more so they can learn more. And then we're going to go ahead and click done. Now, if I wanted to change this, I could simply go to rewrite and I can rewrite all of that over. But I like it. So I'm going to use generate content. I'm going to allow AI to give me exactly what I want to put out. So here it is. Scroll down to done. So we can go on to the next step. So far, quickly, we loaded up our website. We chose our target. We chose our ad copy. Now we're going to choose the final step, not the final step, but the next step is our ad budget. Here's where you choose how much you want to spend on LinkedIn. Now, if this was Facebook, Facebook's minimum is $1 a day. Instagram is $1 a day. All different platforms have different minimums. So you can choose whatever the minimum is. Now, I will say this, most of these platforms suggest that you run $20 a day so that your money actually goes at the right time for when somebody's looking for it. If you use a smaller amount, chances are they're just going to run your ad for the day. So you want to have a nice budget. We say $20 a day to start, and they'll even suggest that if you try to run under it. So let me just do 10 and see if it makes that suggestion for me. Now, the cool thing that you see up here is your forecasted results. Whatever platform you're on, if you have multiple platforms suggested right here, you can see how much your ad spend would be, an estimate of your ad spend, how many clicks you would get, and how many people you would reach. So in one day, if I spent $5 to $10, I may get 1 to 3 clicks, may reach up to 166 people. Over a week, I may get 23 clicks. Over 30 days, I may have 100 clicks over a month. Now, you can always scale this up. Now, I say you're a big agency, right? Then it looks something more like this, $100 a day. You may get 1,000 clicks, or you may get 33 clicks in one day, depending on your ad spend, right? So I like to look at this part because this honestly gives you just an estimate of what you could potentially reach, who you could potentially reach. So let's go ahead and put this back to $10 a day. Let's click next, and that is it. Now look, Set a daily budget of at least $20 so your ads are delivered throughout the day whenever your audience is on. Now, you can choose to say no, but you can choose to say add. And you can go back and you put the $20 in, right, as your day. Now, again, you can choose whatever budget you want. And then you simply go to create ad. This will create the ad. I'm not going to run it because I don't need to run this ad right now, but I was showing you how in a few minutes, I was able to load up my website, find my target, find my ad copy or upload it if I had it, and choose a budget. And now I'm going to create my ad, right? Awesome. You're about to create your ad. You click confirm and it's done. Done in a few minutes. Now, rinse and repeat. I won't go into all of them. I'll just click on TikTok so you can see. It's essentially the same thing, right? It switches over to the platform for TikTok. Now, what I would say, pay attention to is the platforms and how much each ad costs. Some platforms are cheaper, like, right? Look, 10 to 100 clicks just using TikTok. So TikTok may be, look at the reach, right? Look at the reach. TikTok is, hint, hint, wink, wink, is definitely the place to go. So I'm going to go here to interest real quick. I'm just going to show you that I can run an ad on TikTok very, very fast, and it won't really mess me up. So let me go ahead and click done. My computer froze for a second. Sorry about that.
What's the biggest tip you've ever gotten?
And we want to
$50.
Yeah. Right?
Has anyone ever tipped a car?
So it knows.
Oh my God,
Have you seen our TikTok before? It's Mr. Beast. Does that ring a bell?
It's going to generate the content. It's going to get the ad copy.
Yeah.
It's going to write the ad copy.
You want to see it? It's outside.
And it's going to find your audience. Now, I know somebody may ask.
Right over here, you'll see your brand new car. Yes.
The short answer is no. Because each ad platform you see requires different information. It has a different ad structure, and it has different features that they have basically. So Google call ad, you couldn't run with TikTok ad, you couldn't run with LinkedIn. So here you could run them separately, but not at the same time. So here you're going to see me type in the interest. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Now, here's the cool thing about TikTok. This is why you got to love this AI platform. This platform gives you suggestions. TikTok is the sauce. TikTok shows you, right? You can go in and choose any of these keywords, and you can tap into the market that's already like big, already growing. Let's do life insurance. Let's see if there's anybody in life insurance. May or may not be. Let's see. I didn't find anything yet. Still type in the search, nothing. All right, so let's back out. Okay, so you see life. You pulled up life. So let's look for insurance. Only got one, right? Let's see. Let's do life. Okay, let's do healthy lifestyle, life and leisure. Let's just add on these in because I want you guys to kind of see the same process. So you see, you click next, goes up here, and then you have to choose your location. You can choose wherever you want in the world. I'm going to choose again. Actually, I'm going to choose a state this time. Let's choose. I wonder if it's suggesting this because it knows my IP address. It would be pretty cool if it does that for you. We'll wait for this thing to load again, guys. My computer has tons of things running in the background, so you won't see this on your side if you're actually trying to do this. Let me go ahead and choose. Now we know what. We'll just go ahead and choose United States. So you'll see this big map comes up where you can geo-target whoever you want to put your ads into. If you're a local business, then you can go locally, right? You don't have to go all over the U.S. I'm just going to click next. Then here you can choose your actual age group that you want. Now this is huge because you're building your demographic. Let's say we want to go 25 and up. And we want to do both male and female. Then you click next, boom, now my target's done. Let me go ahead and create my ad or my video. Let's go here. It already has a video. Now here for TikTok, you definitely will want to have your ad created. Honestly, because there's no better way to share your product than to create it yourself. Now, if you've already been advertising on your platform, you can simply go here to your ad account and find it. But we don't have any videos set up yet. So I can't do that. I'll let the demo one stay there for you. So same thing, my agent verification shows up as the business name. There's the description. Now here's the thing that's different because on LinkedIn, you see there's a full description with a headline and all of that. Facebook is the same way, but TikTok doesn't have all of that. It's right there. find your verified agents, right? And then the business name, you see that, and then there's the learn more. So I click done. And then I'm going to use, actually, it's going to make me load up a video. So let me just load up anything that I have just for demonstration purposes. Now, not sure what's in here. Who knows? Let's see if I have a MP4 somewhere laying around. All right, we'll use this. And I hope this is, I hope this is something that's, you know, cool for eyes, because no idea what I just uploaded. I'm going to click next. Let's try that again really quick. It was doing it. Sorry, guys. I move a little bit faster than I probably should. Oh, I thought I loaded it. Sorry about that. Upload, do it again. Video. Ah, that's why, because it has to download it from the cloud. So let me see if I have anything. Now, again, guys, when you do this, you want to make sure that you have a TikTok video ready to go that you upload. All right, so there it is, videos in. And then from there, I would just select my ad budget. Again, now TikTok, at least $20 a day. So if I try 10, right, it's going to show you that reach is going to drop down to 5, 10. Guys, this is a no-brainer, right? A no-brainer. This software took me just a few minutes to set this ad up. I'm going to press $20. I'm going to hit confirm, create, and my ad's running. And now I'm putting my business in front of thousands of people, thousands. So I can go back again. We can do this all day long. We can go on Google if you're a brick and mortar and you just want them to contact. If you're like a contractor, or a landscaper, or a carpet cleaner, right? Or a maid service, whatever your business is that provides services and you want people to call you, we can do the same thing and set the ads up specifically for them to reach out. Now, I'll go through this one briefly. I won't set everything up because I want you to see how the analytics work out. Because once you set the ad, this platform will not only look at your ad and study the audience to see how it's making out, but it will adjust the ad campaign. It will make edits to it. It will change things after a week of evaluation. Week 2, you may have a totally different ad. It'll retarget for you. So AI works for you 24/7. And I couldn't be more excited about it because, like I said, we spent tons of time doing this stuff ourselves. And now we're at a point where it's all done for you and it's open for the public. Now, what I'm showing you is something that anybody can access. If you want to get access to this platform, feel free to go to ads.elevate.co up here. While this is stalling out, I'll go ahead and drop that in there for you. But yeah, it's super simple to connect with us and you can get this platform today. Now here, boom, right? There's my agent verification. There's my target, there's my creative, and there's my budget. I didn't even do anything. I literally came here and clicked, and this is basically saying I spend 5 to 10 hours a day. I may get 1 to 10 clicks. I'll reach 300 people. Totally different from TikTok. Again, you're going to get so much more traffic on TikTok, but it's actually cheaper here. So I don't, you got to weigh out your option. Each person is different. Each platform, each brand is different. So I'd say test them all out. You should really be on all platforms. So here's the platform again, and then we click home. This is where you'll see your dashboard. Now, this is the part that I like, right? Right here, you're seeing that Google ad spend. It shows you your Google ad spend, your Facebook, your TikTok, whatever platform you're spending on, you get to see your actual campaign. So I'll go ahead and click here, right? You can see that this is enabled. It shows you your spend. I spent $24 so far. I've got this in front of 11,760 people. I received 125 clicks, 19 cents per click, $2.06 CPM. The click-through ratio is 1.7%. Guys, the interactions, 128 for $25. AI ran this for me and put me in front of people. Now, I really like this platform because not only can you run the ads, but you can see how the ads are performing. Now, it would be the same for Facebook, TikTok. Whenever you press, you'll see this right up here, right? You'll see your ad spend, your ad account. You'll see the media spend for Facebook, TikTok. You'll see the month. You can come right here and you can change it. You can look at certain days. You can look at the whole time. It's totally up to you. And you can actually look at all ads. I'll X out on this enable because it's just showing you the ones that are enabled, but you can see your ads that were paused. So here's some that I had paused. $6. I had this in front of 482 people. Look at that. Oh, CPM. That was pretty steep. $14. Yeesh. Interactions. So again, you see everything right here. You can search for your campaigns. You can filter them out by enabled, which I like to keep mine on enabled. And then also outside of just seeing your Google Ads, Facebook, and TikTok, you can see your website. So Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, you simply just connect this to your Google account and you'll see the users, the revenue, the conversion rate, the sessions. So when they're going to your website, and which I highly suggest, if you don't have your website set up so you can track, you're missing out on tons of opportunity. You're leaving tons of money off the table. I want to say on the table. And then you can connect right here. Simply press connect. It'll go to your Google ad account or your Google Facebook. You click connect, right? And I'm not sure if this is going to find the right analytics account that I have, but I'll try it just for this demonstration purposes. Let me click on Elevate ENT. See if it'll pull that up for us. All right. And let's just see if it'll log me in. It may or may not do this. I haven't set this part up. Again, this is a demonstration account that I'm using. So if I was to show you my main account, you'll see all of the ads that we're running, and you'll see that we do have this connected. But look, you're seeing how simple it is. Boom, you just come here and select ad account. And I'm sure it's probably going to pull up quite a few. Okay, yeah, there it is, demo account. And you choose your ID. Select. And then once this is loaded up, you go ahead and choose next. And then now you'll have your Google Analytics loaded up. Now, again, I don't know if this will work for us on this side. I did just click on a random. Let me see if I can do change. Let me go to a real one. Maybe that may work. Select private ID. It's loading. There it is. And let's go to, you'll see I got a bunch of these. Now, guys, again, I'm not sure which one. I just kind of wanted to show you how this works. So boom, it's loaded up, and I want to click back. Select, please ensure that your ad account are right. Now it should be a next button that pops up here. Not sure why that's not happening. We'll have to go ahead and double check, or maybe it's because I don't have an ad account there, or my Google Analytics. See, that's right, I didn't have the right one. So here's the view, and this platform is amazing. If you don't have an ad account, you won't be able to set it up. So just showing you, there it is, all website data that I'm looking for, and that is it. Now, again, not sure why that part's not popping up, but so thanks. I'll go ahead and X out of there. And then that really wraps it up, man. That shows you that, you have the analytics, that you can track everything. You have the platform to run all your ads. It just takes a few minutes to run all of the platforms. If you're somebody that wants to come in here and build mock-ups, right, or ads for the future, you can come here and start to create your campaigns or upload. And it's super simple to connect to all of the platforms. Once again, if you need support, you can go right here to chat with us, ask our virtual bot who knows everything about this platform, or email us. If you need to see the demo can be found right here at the button on the top right, and click resources. Here are the videos that you can watch. Even click the links. If you want to read the scripts, you can do those as well. Now, let me bring my video back because I'm going to wrap this video up. Not sure how long I've been on here, but I know I've been going for a while. Let me bring it back. Let me bring this thing home. Let me take my share screen off. All right. So there you have it. You've seen it. You just went on a test drive for the AI Ads Manager. And I'm sure you're probably saying the same thing I'm saying. It's lit. It's lit. So all you have to do is go to ads.elevate.co. Go ahead and sign up, and you can get access to this. It's $49 a month. I held it for the end because I wanted you to see all the value. So you'd be like, oh man, I bet this cost me so much money. $49 a month. And honestly, it's actually going up to $97 a month, which if you're watching this video and it's at $97, you may be too late. But if you're watching this and it says $49, then you need to take action now, because this platform is worth it. It's actually worth hundreds. How much are you paying your social media manager to do this? How much are you paying agencies to do this? Or how many of you don't even have this done and you don't know how to do this? AI will do it for you. So for $49 a month, You can have your own AI ads manager. And if you're somebody that needs help, you can buy this platform and then reach out to us and we can help you set it up. Or you can, outsource it to us and we'll run your ads for you. But I honestly think it'd be easier for you to do it for yourself and more cost benefit because everything is here right for you. So I hope this video was informative. You guys seen it. There's no more secrets. The cat's out of the bag. You went through the full overview. Now all you got to do is take action. Now there's two types of people, right? There's the person that watched this and they're like, yo, amazing. I don't need to see anything else. I'm ready to go. And if that's you, again, it's ads, ads.liv8.co, C-O. And 8 is the number 8, liv8.co. Go ahead, sign up, get access. You'll be able to log in and start. You don't need to wait for anybody. Now, if you're number 2, the person that like, I don't know, I have a little bit more questions, feel free to click the button wherever you're watching this video and reach out to us. We're here to help. We're here to answer all questions. We want you to win. When you win, we win. It's a win-win situation right here. And I failed to even recognize the third person. There are 3 types of people. There's the first person that's ready to go. There's the second person that just has, a little bit more questions or needs to know some things. Reach out. Free consultations all day long will help you. And then there's number 3, who's like, all right, that's it. Amazing, but not for me, right? And we just want to thank you for coming. Thank you for staying to the end and watching this. But I will ask you for something, right? I will have a request. If this isn't for you and you watch this whole thing and you saw the value, share this with somebody who you know this will work for, right? Hey, you can even be the agency owner and leverage it. You can let them use it and get paid for it. Now, I won't give away all of the sauce, but this is definitely something you can use for yourself, for your agency, for your brand, or for somebody else's. With that being said, man, it's time to take action. I hope this video was informative, and I'll see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. You have a great day. Peace.